Hey there, this is Ron. I had a burnout the other day and I wanted to show you my voltage and amperage readings for the back of my run coil. That is the electromagnetic flyback that I receive from charging my coil and suddenly cutting off the current. So this time I have a, you can't possibly read it, but this is a metal film capacitor, 104Z. It's a 0.1 microfarad capacitor, just enough to slow the energy down so I can read it as DC, because this is pulsed DC coming off the back of this Bedini overblown schoolgirl. It is overwound coil on this particular schoolgirl. So you can see my voltage meter right now showing what the charge battery is sucking up. So that's basically just the charge on the charge battery. And what I'm going to do, if I can get the camera just right, over here are the neon lights that will turn on when I unplug the charge battery, which means there's too much energy in the circuit. It's flying over to the negative side. All the lights will light up. And I have a meter connected to the small film, metal film capacitor, so it should read the voltage of the electromagnetic flyback from the coil. So I'm going to unplug the charge battery just briefly. You can see the current goes way up. I'm reading 292.9, 292.7 volts. 292, let's call it 292. I'm plugging it back in. So we can't take much of that, Captain. She's too much current. Now I'm going to change over to amperage. I'm filming this mostly for myself because last time I tried to show this, I burned out my transistor, and I have a much sturdier transistor up there, if you can see it way up high in the corner. I'm not going to get into that right now, but I just want to get these readings on for the record. Okay, I'm reading 17 milliamps for the battery. The charge battery's hooked up. I'm getting ready to unplug it again. And here I go to measure amperage on the flyback. 530 milliamps of current. Excellent. I plugged the battery back in. The battery is there to absorb all that extra energy. So nearly 300 volts at over half an amp. That's how much flyback I'm getting from the collapsing magnetic field around my coil. So it is a big, sturdy coil. That's all I got for today. Just want to catalog that for the record.